Okay, so 11th Maths 2 complex numbers, the first chapter, exercise 1.1, page number 6. Question number 3, subpart 2. Find A and B. Find A and B. Okay, what is given here? A minus B plus A plus B into I is equal to A plus 5I. Now this is very easy. You have to compare the real and the imaginary parts. I repeat, you have to compare the real and the imaginary parts. Okay? So, which is the real part here and which is the imaginary part?
A minus B and A.
Comparing real part and imaginary part. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay, A minus B is equal to A and A plus B is equal to 5. So A and A gets cancelled. So B is equal to 0, minus B is equal to 0, and B is equal to 0. So substitute here. Therefore A is equal to 5. That's the answer. Okay? और इतना सिंपल पूछे जाने की बहुत कम पॉसिबिलिटी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में का 3. It says A plus B into 2 plus I is equal to B plus 1 plus 10 plus 2A into I. Once again equating real part and imaginary part. बट उसके लिए पहले मुझे इसको ओपन करना पड़ेगा. सॉरी, आई जस्ट ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट्स. ये ब्रैकेट एज अ होल इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा फिर इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. करेक्ट. सो दिस विल गिव मी 2 times A plus B is equal to I into A plus B is equal to B plus 1 is the real part and I times 10 plus 2A is the imaginary part. So once again I'll say here equating real part and imaginary part. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Understand that? So what do you get there? 2A plus 2B is equal to B plus 1. Right?
Yes.
Transfer. 2A plus B is equal to 1. Okay. A plus B is equal to 10 plus 2A. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? You transfer 10 इधर minus 10. A इधर और B इधर. 2A minus A is A and minus B. So A minus B is equal to minus 10. So I'm going to simultaneously. A minus B is equal to minus 10. Can I leave it to you? 3A is equal to minus 9. So A is equal to minus 3 and B is equal to 1 minus 2A. 1 minus 2 into minus 3. So B is equal to 7. So A is equal to minus 3. Is this okay? Any doubts about that?
Yes.
Next question. 3 make a 5. 1 upon A plus IB is equal to 3 minus 2I is equal to 3 minus 2I. Now whenever you come across such situation, what I'll do is I will take the reciprocal of this. तो क्या मिलेगा? Invert endo. So this will give me A plus IB is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2I. Right? Now rationalize the denominator. You know what is the rationalize? Factor of rationalization. क्या बनेगा? इसका conjugate जो होगा उसको multiply. Correct. 3 plus 2I. 3 plus 2I. तो क्या बनेगा? A plus IB is equal to 3 plus 2I upon A minus B, A plus B, A square, 3 square
9.
minus 4I square. 4I square. But I know that I square is minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4.
Yes.
So this is 9 plus 4, 13.
13.
So 3 plus 2I upon 13. Okay? Therefore, what is A is equal to comparing the real and imaginary parts.
A equal to 3 by 30.
And B is equal to 2 upon 30. Is this okay? Okay. Next, you can take the screenshot. Any doubts about this? Question number 3 make a 6. A plus ib into 1 plus I is equal to 2 plus I. Now we just have to open the bracket. This is a simple multiplication. Here this will explain you how to do the multiplication of two complex numbers. We just have to open the bracket. AC, 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 and AC. So what do you get there? A plus AI plus BI, imaginary part below imaginary part, plus BI square, but I square is minus 1. And I can write here plus BI square, that is equal to 2 plus I, but henceforth I square is equal to minus 1, and therefore this will become minus B. Correct? So A minus B is the real part. And take I common from here, this will become A plus B is equal to 2 plus I. Okay? Now equate the real and the imaginary part. Equating real part and imaginary part. क्या मिलेगा? A minus B is equal to 2 and A plus B is equal to 1. Adding 2A is equal to 3. So A is equal to 3 by 2. B is equal to 1 minus A. 1 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to minus half. So B is equal to minus half. That's it. Is this okay? Alright. Next. Question number 4 subpart 1. 4 meter 1. Okay. Express the following in the form of A plus IB. Now so far we have seen how to perform the multiplication of complex numbers. Addition में क्या है? Just add and subtract real and the imaginary parts. This is multiplication. Now here 4 subpart 1. 1 plus 2i into minus 2 plus I. Please check the sum. You just have to open the brackets here. Very easy, very simple. So what do you do? Tell me. Just have to open it like this.
Yes.
And like
Minus
this,
2.
like that, and like that. Okay. What do you get there?
Minus 2
Minus 2 plus I minus
minus
4i
4i
plus 2i
plus
square, which is minus 1. Isn't it? So this is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Now what about this? I minus 4i
minus 3.
minus 3i, and that is in the form of A plus IB. Yes or no?
Yes.
Second question, 4 omega 2. 1 plus I into 1 minus I raised to minus 1. तो raised to minus 1 कैसे जाएगा? Raised to minus 1 का क्या होगा? Laws of indices.
Root.
No. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon A raised to m. I think so. Okay, so this will become 1 plus I, and this will go in the denominator, 1 minus I.
Okay.
Now this is the division of complex numbers. One complex number is divided by the other one. So how do you carry out the division? The division is very simple. You have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator.
Or rationalization.
Rationalization, just like so. This is 1 plus I, 1 plus I, right? Now the denominator is in the form A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. 1 square 1 minus I square
Minus
1
so plus 1.
plus 1. And in the numerator it is
1
1 plus I
plus
into 1 plus I. It is 1 plus I ka square.
Brackets.
So this is 1 plus 2 into 1 into I plus I square. I hope this is okay. Now this is 1 and this is minus 1, and therefore they cancel each other.
Okay.
So this will become 2i upon 1 plus 1 2, and that gets cancelled, and this is I. But I want it in the form A plus BI, so that is equal to 0 plus I. Is this okay? Any doubts about that? Please take the screenshot. Question number 4 में का 2 which we solved just now, it is this 1 plus I into 1 minus I raised to minus 1, जिसका आंसर I आया था. And fifth question says 1 plus I upon 1 minus I bracket square. Now when you send this in the denominator, so this is what this bracket is question number 4 में का 2, so इसका आंसर I square मतलब minus 1 आएगा. Okay, question number 4 में का 4 क्या है? 2 plus I upon 3 minus I into 1 plus 2I. Okay, how do we go for that? क्या करेंगे? First I will multiply in the denominator. Okay? So tell me what you get there. Come on, speak up.
3
2 plus I will be the numerator as it is.
3
No, 3
plus 5I, sorry 6I,
plus 6I
minus I
minus 2I
minus
square.
2I square.
Now यहीं पर बोलो this is
Minus
minus 1.
one,
So this
plus
is
two.
plus 2. So 2 plus 3
5
5. So this is 5 and 6I minus I
5
is 5I. So this is 5 plus 5I 2 plus I. Any doubts
into
about
5
that?
minus
Sorry?
now rationalize.
Yeah, I can rationalize, or before that, can I take this 1 upon 5 common,
Okay.
and this is 2 plus I and this is 1 plus I. You could have rationalized that way also, that is also okay, no problem. But since this is being taken common, that will simplify my calculation. So this is 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Come on, tell me the next step. Bolo, 1 upon 5 in the numerator, in the denominator a plus ba minus ba square, 1 minus b square minus I square. But I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, that is 2. You see? Okay, tell me the numerator.
2
2
minus 2I
minus 2I
plus 1,
plus I
sorry I
and minus I
minus I
square.
square.
But I square is minus 1.
Yes, plus
So this is 1 plus 2, 3.
3
So basically this is 1 upon 5. 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2I plus I minus I. Okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer here? This is 3 minus I upon 10. But I want to write in the form a plus bi. So this is 3 upon 10 plus, sorry, minus 1 upon 10
1 upon
into I. Is this okay? Any doubts about that? Okay. Next question. We go for question number 4 subpart 6. 4 meter 6. Well, I just erase this first. Okay. 3 plus 2I upon 2 minus 5I plus 3 minus 2I upon 2 plus 5I. Well, how do we go for that? Now instead of rationalizing
Yes.
individually, I'll take the LCM here. Hello? What do you get there? Tell me. The denominator is 2 minus 5I into 2 plus 5I. In the numerator, this is 3 plus 2I into 2 plus 5I plus 3 minus 2I into 2 minus 5I. Is this okay? Tell me now the next step. What are you getting? Give me, bolo. That is equal to the denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 2 square 4 minus 25I square. But I square is minus 1 and this is plus 25 plus 4, 29. Okay? Tell me the numerator.
6
6 फटाफट
plus
Plus
15
15 फटाफट
4I
plus 4I
10I square
plus 10I square. Okay.
6
This is minus 1 plus 6I 6
minus 15I minus 4I
plus 10I square. This is minus 1. Okay? Now that is equal to. this is 6 plus 19i minus 10 plus 6 minus 19i minus 10 upon 29. Any doubts? Plus 99 minus 99 cancel. 6, 6, 12, 10, 10, 20, 12 minus 20, minus 8 upon 29. But I want it in this form. So this is equal to minus 8 upon 29 plus 0i. Is this okay?
Yes.
Any doubts about that? Okay. Question number 4, mega 7. 1 plus I raised to minus 3. What do you suggest? We'll make use of laws of indices and I'll send it in the denominator.
Yes.
So this is 1 upon 1 plus I cube.
Hmm.
Well, I know here the formula for a plus b bracket cube. क्या है formula? A cube
A cube
plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b. So that will give me what? 1 upon 1 cube
1 cube
plus 3 1 square into I plus 3 1 into I square plus I cube. Okay. Now I square is minus 1. I cube is I square into I. मतलब minus 1 into I मतलब minus I. Okay?
Okay.
So what do you get there? This is 1 upon 1 cube is 1. 1 square is 1. So this is plus 3i. This is minus 3. And this is minus I. Is that okay?
Yes.
So what do you get there? This will become 1 upon 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3i minus I is plus 2i.
Plus 2.
Okay? Can I rationalize this?
Yes.
Okay. So do I need to take anything common or directly rationalize it?
2.
Okay. 2
Minus 2.
minus 2 common. So 1 upon minus 2 is taken common. So this will be 1 minus I. What will be the factor of rationalization? 1 plus I. 1 plus I. So what do you get there? This will become, this is minus 1 upon 2 and this is going to be 1 square is 1 minus I square, but I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, and this is 1 plus I. So all in all what you get there? This is
1 minus
minus 1 plus I
plus I.
upon 2 to the 4.
Okay.
If you want you can open this. This is minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4i. That's it. It is in the form a plus ib. Is this okay? Any doubts about that?
No.
Okay, next question. 4 subpart 8. 4 mega 8. 4. 2 plus square root of minus 3 upon 4 plus square root of minus 3. What is that equal to? Square root of minus 3 का मतलब क्या होता है? This is square root of minus 1 into square root of 3. But this is equal to I. So this is I root 3. Basically, this is I root 3. Same thing here. So this is 2 plus I root 3 upon 4 plus I root 3. तो कुल मिलाकर क्या हो जाएगा ये? What will be the factor of rationalization?
4 minus I.
4 minus I root 3. 4 minus I root 3. So a plus b, a minus b. You can tell me the denominator. 16 minus I square.
3i.
3i square. But I square is minus 1. Plus. So 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, in the meanwhile, ये क्या होगा? 4 2 जा 8.
8
Minus
minus
2 root 3i
yes.
plus 4 root 3i. Answer is
And minus 1
minus I square into 3. But this I square is minus 1. So all in all, what you get there? This is 8 minus 2 root 3i plus
8
4 root
plus
3i.
3.
Minus 2 root 3i plus 4 root 3i is 2 root 3i. And this is 3 plus 3. So 16 plus 3 is 19. So what you get there is 8 plus 3, 11 upon 19 plus 2 root 3 upon 19i. It is in the form a plus bi. Is this okay?
Yes.
Please take the screenshot. Question number 4, Mega 9. Again, express in the form a plus ib. This is the question here. Minus root 5 plus 2 square root of minus 4 plus 1 minus square root of minus 9 plus 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. Okay? Well, let's see now. We'll simplify this first. पहले तो मुझे बताओ when the minus sign is there inside the square root, जैसे कि यहाँ पे. So what does this mean? This is square root of minus 1
Yes.
into root 4. That is I into 2.
Yes.
2i.
2i.
Similarly, what is this?
That will be
Square root of minus 1 into square root of 9. That is I into 3.
3i.
3i. And this is of the type a plus b, a minus b. Okay? So what do you get there? This will become minus square root of 5 plus 2 into 2i, 4i,
4i.
plus 1 minus 3i. And a plus b, a minus b is a square, 2 square, 4 minus 3i ka square, 9i square. But I square is minus 1.
Plus 9.
So this will become plus 9. So all in all, what you get there? Minus root 5 plus 4i minus 3i is I. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9,
14.
14. Now this is 14 minus root 5 is the real part. And I is the imaginary part. So this is the answer. Okay? Alright. Next question. 4 subpart 11. It says 4i raised to 8 minus 3i raised to 9 plus 3 upon 3i raised to 11 minus 4i raised to 10 minus 2. Okay. Now these higher powers of I have to deal with. One by one I will try to calculate them. So I will start with I raised to 8. Can I say I raised to 8 is I square bracket raised to 4, a raised to m bracket raised to n, a raised to mn.
Yes.
A raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So 4 to the 8.
Yes.
But I
I
square
is minus.
minus 1 raised to 4. 1. Minus 1 का square.
Yeah.
1. Minus 1 का cube. Minus 1.
Minus
Minus 1 raised to 4. Plus 1.
Plus
Minus 1 raised to 5.
Minus.
Minus 1 raised to even number.
Yeah, your number is a plus.
Plus 1. And minus 1 raised to odd number.
Minus.
Minus 1. Okay. Next I have to calculate I raised to 9. But I will simply say this is I raised to 8 into I. And I raised to 8 we have already calculated. This is 1 into I. And that is equal to I. Okay? Then I raised to 10. So I will say I raised to 10 is equal to I raised to 9 into I. And I raised to 9 I have already calculated as I into I. That is I square. That is minus 1. Then I raised to 11.
Yes, so
Tell me.
10. I raised to 10 into I.
I raised to 10 into I. But I raised to 10 is minus 1
Minus 1.
into I. That is minus I. Correct?
uh,
So what do you get there? Now that will give me 4. So the given expression is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3
I.
into I raised to 9 is I plus 3 upon 3 into minus I minus 4 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay?
Yes.
That is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 minus 3i upon 4 minus 2, it's 2, 2 minus 3i. Now this is a simple division of complex numbers.
So
So rationalize the denominator 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. So what do you get there? This is going
in denominator it will be
in the denominator it will be 4 minus 9i square. I square is minus 1 plus 9. Okay. In the numerator 14 plus 21i minus 6i minus 9i square. So I square is minus 1. Substitute, simplify this now. What do you get? So give me
14 plus 21i
14 plus 21i minus 6i is plus 15i
plus
9, and this is 9 plus 4 13. So that is equal to 14 plus 9 23. 23 plus 15i upon 13 is the answer. Is this okay?
Yes.
Take the screenshot, please. Question number 5. Show that minus 1 plus root 3 I bracket cube is a real number. Now we just open the bracket. So what do you get there? This is like a plus b bracket cube. It's a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. क्या बनेगा? minus 1 plus root 3i bracket cube is minus 1 का cube plus 3 minus 1 का square into root 3i. Okay? Plus 3 into minus 1 into root 3i का square. Correct? Plus root 3i का cube. Now simplify. Minus 1 raised to minus 1 का cube is minus 1. Minus 1 का square is 1. So this is plus 3 root 3i. Okay? And root 3 का square is 3.
minus 3.
So this will become minus 3. है ना? Minus 3 into minus plus 3 3 is a 9. So plus 9. Correct? Now root 3 का cube. 3 root 3
I cube.
I cube. But what is I cube is equal to I square into I. That is equal to minus I. So this will become 9 minus 1 8 plus 3 root 3i, and this is minus I into 3 root 3. This is minus 3 root 3i. That gets cancelled, and this is equal to 8, which is a real number. Is this okay? Any doubts about this? Check. Find the value of question number 6. Find the value of 3 plus 2 upon I into I raised to 6 minus I raised to 7 into 1 plus I raised to 11. Now let us simplify this one by one. First of all, I'll find out the value of, say, I raised to 6. What is I raised to 6 is equal to I square ka cube, right? What is I square?
minus 1.
Minus 1 ka cube
minus 1.
minus 1. How do I find out I raised to 7?
I raised to 600.
That is equal to minus 1
minus 1
into I.
minus I.
That is minus I. What about I raised to 11?
Minus 10.
Hmm? I raised to 10 into I. I raised to 10 is I square raised to 5 into I. Correct? I square is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to odd number.
minus I.
So this will become minus I. Is this okay? Alright. Whereas 2 upon I. 2 upon I. Here I'll multiply and divide it by I. So what do you get there? 2i upon I square, which is minus 1.
Yes.
That is equal to minus 2i. So let me substitute all these things here. 2 upon I is minus 2i. So what is this? This will become 3 minus 2i. Agree?
Yes.
I raised to 6 is minus 1. minus I raised to 7 minus of minus I
minus of plus
plus डायरेक्ट लिखो into 1 plus I raised to 11 that is minus I. Agree?
yes
Okay? यहाँ से माइनस साइन बाहर ले लो, यहाँ पर आएगा तो what do you get there? This will become
3
minus 2I 1 minus I
minus I
1 minus I that is equal to क्या मिलेगा -3 minus 2I और इसका स्क्वायर है 1
then plus I square
a minus b bracket square a square
a square plus
minus
b square
2ab
minus 2ab
plus b square a square 1
plus I square
अच्छा plus I square minus 2 into 1 into I. Agree? So what do you get there? This will become that is equal to बोलो क्या आएगा? That is equal to minus 3 minus 2I. Let me calculate this one. This is I square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What do you get there? Minus 2I. Okay? Minus into minus. Plus. So this is 3 minus 2I into 2I. Multiply. क्या मिलेगा? 6I
minus 4I square
minus 4I square. But I square is minus 4 into minus I. Minus. So this is 4 plus
6I.
that's the answer. Is this okay? Please check.